we're going to discuss imaginary numbers and why they aren't actually imaginary. In fact, the term is somewhat misleading, and after today's presentation, I hope you'll view these numbers in a new light. We'll explore the topic from both a mathematical and a physics and engineering perspective. Imaginary numbers have been given a bad reputation, mostly because of their name. They're often introduced in math classes without a full explanation of why they're useful or how they're applied in real life. Today, we'll look at imaginary numbers through two lenses. The mathematical perspective, where imaginary numbers come from and how they work in equations. The physics and engineering perspective, how these numbers help us solve real-world problems like oscillations, waves, and signal processing. Let's begin with the mathematical perspective. When you're solving quadratic equations, like x squared equals -4, you run into a problem. The square root of a negative number doesn't exist in the real number system. But when we introduce the imaginary unit I, where I equals